next set of updates, which is the reports and monitoring. Um, on the data episode, we are continuously working on, having a better and better experience on the reporting. So we had the custom reports where you can add, your own custom widgets on different custom widgets are already available. You have predefined widgets for the data flow and the pipeline. Those you can drag and drop and create your own reports on the specific features which are running across, right? So, and apart from that, now in 2.0, we are gonna ship some of these curated reports, so which we think that it would be very helpful for you to get an instance of, like, get a insight into all the recent activities, so for different features. So now we'll be having for data for the DB flows and data model pipeline. For specific features, you have all these reports already available handy, just to see how it is running today, what are the data flows running, and then what are the different history, everything at one place, and the reports. Still we will be having that at the feature level, where we had the recent run screens, the report at the feature level, that still be there, but this is an addition to it. We have it in the reports part. So let's quickly we'll check on it. Maybe I just after we'll go over the monitoring part also. So in the previous releases, we have added monitoring screen where you can see across the container for the pipelines, primarily that, okay, what are the pipelines which are running, and which has run on the different containers, and so based on the timestamp you can see what are the ongoing running. So this specific feature was very helpful for tracking and checking if something is not going as per the plan, if there is any issue on running the test or running the pipelines. So this was the screen where you can go, you can have a holistic view of all the containers, where you'll see, okay, which is the pipeline, it's not performing as expected, something is abnormal. That's all you can see it at one place. Now we have enhanced it for the data flows and the DB flows as well. So let's quickly take a look into these part too. So let's check on the reports first. And yeah, this is the report for this is the curated reports. You'll see a tab here, and then so these reports also the old tabs, these ones. Curated report is the default landing page. So whenever you get into it, you'll get a view of data flows which are running, and so this is the recent runs, and this gives you all the information. Okay, what are the ones which are the recent runs of all the data flows. But if you want to see all the other history, whichever has run within this run date and all, so you can just quickly filter it. It will show you all the details over here. And if you want to see the history in the detail here, you can see the run details, this part. And the same information is available for the DB flows, data model, and pipeline as well. So let me quickly jump into the next enhancement, which we have to talk about, is the monitor. So this was the pipeline monitor, which was available previous release. Now we have two more menu options here. One is for the data flow, and here you can see that these are the different runs which we had. So this by default it comes for the today's view, and you can check on this, whatever the containers I have access, those comes up here. And coming to the different view which we have, so this shows us on the timestamp view. And then once you go over here, you can see as a kind of a calendar view here, and it shows what are the different data flows has run. You have some filter options, and these are some more additional options given in the latest releases, that you can search for some of the failed or error, any specific runs, just to figure it out that, okay, so if I want to just check on that something which just went wrong, right? So that all the information you will have, and you can get a monthly view as well as the weekly view for these monitors. So this is pretty much on reports and monitor side.
For further questions, feel free to reach contact@datagaps.com. Request a free demo, scan the QR code below. Thank you.